Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Codewood, and in this video we are going to discuss about a load balancers. So what exactly is this the term? This is used to distribute the network or your network or application traffic across the multiple servers. Now what exactly is this? Let's understand with the help of example. Let's say there is one YouTube video you are asking for, and at the same time there are millions of users uh, are watching or requesting for the same video at the same time. So what exactly will happen? There will be a two case. The first one, although whether your server will break down, it will blow, or there will be a deadlock condition occur. So what exactly, how this condition will uh, like happens in your case? If you are, let's say you have requested one video, and there at the same time there are other users as well in the queue, they are also waiting. So let's say you get some video, but until unless you will not get that video, the other users has to wait, and this will happen for them as well. They will get the data, but they will have to wait until unless you will not get the data. So you both are dependent on each other, so that's where the deadlock condition will occur here. So it can be any case happens if you are only using one server. That's why we have to use, if you're making a big application, if you're using the big application, then you have to definitely use the different servers, multiple servers as a backup. That's why there are so many startups in the very beginning. They get failed because they never get that much of funding in the beginning, because they have to expand. In the beginning, everything will go, everything goes smoothly, because they are a bunch of users are using that website or your application. But when the users will get increase, you have to always obviously increase your budget as well, otherwise your server will break down or the deadlock condition will occur. So that's why you have to use a different servers. So now the load balancer will decide, if your one server gets busy, then it will automatically distribute your request to the another server, or maybe we can say the another nearest available server, where you will get the content within the seconds, within the milliseconds, not seconds. Because if you are a good programmer, there's a lots of difference between milliseconds and seconds, because you have to take care your client will get the data within the milliseconds, and it also, I mean, very difficult to achieve that as well. So now your exact request will look like this. After using load balancer, there is one client which is asking for the request. So for example, we have set up already, we have set up by default your request will go to the server one. But for some case, if your server one is in had got a heavy load from the traffic, so your request will by default will automatically go to the another server, or maybe we can say the nearest server is available uh, in your region. So how we will decide, how the system will decide which is what where is the nearest server available? Definitely we have to use the CDN, content delivery network. You can check it out my different a separate video where we have talked about this. But yeah, I can explain a little bit about this one. The CDN will decide where your exact request will go in the nearest region in which you have asking for the request. So that's how the load balancers and the CDN will work together, and you have to take care of all of these things. So I think you have a great idea of load balancers or CDN. If maybe not CDN, you can check it out my video. And if you have any questions, anything, you can ask in the comments. See you in the next one.